Wheel of Wisdom Assembly is an event for all of the Patterson students where they can get to have a competition but still work together as a team to answer questions, have a little bit of fun, and just have a good time. Having events like this in school is extremely important, and it wouldn't be possible at all without the donations from our families.
We've been doing it as long as I've been here, which is 17 years, and even longer, I believe, closer to 25. We have kids who go here now that parents remember doing this when they were here.
The fact that Patterson keeps doing this, it's almost become a little bit of a school tradition or a community tradition here, in our neighborhood. And so the kids get to remember those fun memories and probably have them forever.
So it's that whole vision of being able to be together and clap for anybody who's participating up there. They're letting everybody be part of this program, which I think is amazing.
I think it also encourages, from a social emotional standpoint, the ability to go up in front of people and either spin the wheel or answer questions under some pressure. I think it's great for kids to have the opportunity to cheer on, oh, that's my classmate up there, that's my teacher up there.
A student might not know the answer to a question, but the other one does. They can chime in, help each other out. Also, getting fun things like prizes and dances and things like that help keep them engaged.
It's like being on a TV show.
The people who run it, they'll play songs while they spin the wheel, and everybody will just dance and chill out.
I was nervous. I didn't know I was gonna get called up there.
You might get picked, and that's exciting. And then I also was the one who had to press the button. It was kind of scary to do all of it at once.
You have to be really fast. It was really fun. Teachers also went up.
It was really weird because they had to go down and do the Macarena in front of everybody, which caught everybody off guard, but it was really fun.